Last but not least, I'm going to show you now how you can use RFID for inspection of your equipment. As I said previously, this is going to be a huge time saver for those of you who need to maintain equipment registers. Anyone who's worked with Word documents or Excel spreadsheets and had to do inspections would know how painfully slow it is to identify items, find them in the list and then match them up to make sure that everything is there. RFID pretty much takes away all of that. It's going to be really quick, so let me show you how it works. If I want to inspect my equipment, I simply click here again on inventory, go to inspection, and then it's as easy as clicking on scan items and start scanning your equipment as you go. So I'm inspecting this rope, this carabiner, and then some power tools. Once I press save inspection, I'm done. All my registers in my inventory have been updated. Let me show this one to you quickly. So you can now see the inspection has been today and when it's going to be inspected next. So now that we've done our inspection, I'm just going to quickly show you what your registers will look like. Go to inventory, click on instruments, and now I've got here a list of all of my equipment. You can see here the inspection date, so this is the equipment that we've just inspected today, and then here you can see your next inspection date as well. So here we had a 6-monthly inspection reminder for the ropes, for example, and then the Hilti drill, because it's an electric tool, I'm going to be reminded in 3 months. This can be all modified and set to whatever reminders you want and what your inspection intervals are. If you need to present your registers to any of your clients, you simply click here on export, and then you can choose whether you want to export your register into Excel, CSV or PDF, so that you can prove to your customers that you are being compliant with your equipment maintenance requirements.